So there's a number of things that we need for the Moonshot. On the hardware side, we need to have the compute and the data infrastructure to be able to do the large-scale AI that is needed now. The generative AI systems, they need a lot of compute and data. There are some initiatives where that is already coming together to some degree, but a lot more needs to be done. What I'm mostly interested in and what I'm most excited about is also that we need to bring together the community, right? And I'm always talking about this CERN for AI model, this idea of a location where people come together, discuss what are the next challenges that we need to address. That's what they do, the physicists do at CERN, right? They come together, they identify what the next problem is that need to be solved, they agree on that, and then as the entire community gets behind that and pushes for that. And this style of collaboration, of jointly identifying what the next big challenges are, that's something that I think we have to learn from the physicists. That's not something that we have in our genes right now. That's the one thing that we have to, I think, copy from the physicists, but then we have to do it very differently, right? Because we operate on a very different timeline. AI changes on a weekly or monthly basis, right? Where astrophysics, that might be on a yearly basis. We also need to make sure that we include industry, right? I mean, with astrophysics, that's not such an important problem. Here for AI, we need to make sure that we have impact very quickly. And we also need to make sure that we include society at large, because at the end, we need to have the kind of trust in the technology that it will actually be used, not just with the end users, but also the trust with the companies that they are willing to actually integrate AI in a beneficial way into their products and services and so on. So one of the things, the key elements of what we need to do on the technical side is develop what I call trusted AI, so where we can give guarantees about the AI systems. And then we need to extend generative AI, ChatGPT, into the physical world, right? Right now, those AI systems can argue about text and images, right? Strings of words or strings of pixels. What we really need to extend our system to work with 3D objects, with motion, object motion, with forces, physical simulation, and many other aspects. And that's an area where we're actually really good in Europe. And so I think we can make huge progress in this area and really put Europe as one of the key players in this area of AI going forward.